Hi everyone, today I'll be discussing the hair growth cycle. This cycle basically tells how a hair grows. There are three main stages: Anagen phase, Catagen phase and Telogen phase. So let's discuss these phases one by one. First stage is anagen phase. It is the main growing phase of the hair. As I have mentioned in my previous video that the hair has two parts. First is this bulb region or the root, and the second part is shaft. So this region, bulb region, is the region that actually is the living portion and it grows, whereas the shaft is the non-living or the dead part of the hair which does not grows. So in the anagen phase, the hair actively grows. It grows because the bulb portion, the cells present in the bulb area, they divide actively or rapidly during this stage, which leads to growing or the growth of the hair. This stage lasts generally for 2 to 6 years depending upon the person. Most of the hair, approximately 90% of the hair, are present in the anagen stage at any given time So this stage basically leads to the maximum hair length. For example, if you have a very long hair, then that means that most of your cells are in the anagen phase. But if we talk about the hairs of eyelashes or body hair or eyebrows, now these hairs are generally having a very short length. So this means that the hair of these areas are basically having a short anagen phase or a short growing stage. Then next comes Catagen phase. This is a transition phase. Here it is present between the anagen stage and the telogen stage, between a transition phase where the cell is neither growing like in anagen nor it is going to fall off like in telogen. So basically it is a transition phase. Now this is a short stage. It basically it is 2 to 3 weeks long, and here what happens is that the cell detaches itself from the blood supply. Now in anagen, the hair the hair bulb region is attached to the blood supply, but here it detaches itself from the blood supply. Now when there is no blood supply, then there is going to be no nutrients or whatever things that are required for the hair growth, hence it doesn't grow in this phase. Then the hair that is present in the catagen phase is also known as club hair. So if this question is asked that club hair is found in which stage, then the answer will be catagen phase of the hair. Now coming on to the next phase, which is the telogen phase. Now this is the last stage or the final stage of the hair. This stage is divided into two sub phases, that are resting phase and shedding phase. Now in resting phase, the hair is doing nothing but just resting. After resting phase comes the shedding phase. In this shedding phase, the hair detaches itself completely. Now in catagen, it didn't detach itself. It was there inside, but in telogen phase, in here the hair detaches itself completely and the hair sheds off. It falls down from the hair and the new cycle here of the hair begins. This stage or the shedding phase is also known as the exogen stage or exogen phase. After a hair falls off from the scalp, a new hair comes at its place. Like you can see here that this hair particular, it fell off, and at its place a new hair is coming up, which will again go through all the stages. Basically this one is in a early anagen phase, which will further reach anagen, then catagen, then telogen, and then it will fall off after desired time. So let's just sum up once. First stage is anagen phase, actively growing phase. It is during this stage highest amount of melanin is present. Melanin is the pigment that is present in our hair, due to which we get the color of the hair. This lasts for 3 to 6 or 2 to 6 years. Then comes catagen, which is a transition phase in which the hair stops to grow. It detaches itself from the blood capillaries or the blood vessels, but it doesn't shed. Shedding occurs in the telogen stage. This stage lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. Then telogen, here the hair begins to fall and a new hair development starts. This telogen lasts for 6 to 8 weeks, and then again anagen comes, where a new hair growth cycle will begin again. The old hair has already shed off and a new follicle is formed. Here you can see a new follicle is formed at its place and the old hair has shed off. So generally 50 to 100 hairs are shed off from your head every day. This is the normal shedding rate of the hair. So I hope you understood what all the stages of the hair growth cycle are. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment if you have any problem or any doubt related to this topic, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.